Hi, we're thrilled to share with you the remarkable capabilities of our Form Builder module. With this game-changing tool, you can create digital form templates that are dynamically controlled and ensure daily records are filled out quickly to mitigate non-compliance risks. Get started today and experience our Form Builder module. The Form Builder page is divided into two main sections. The first is the form list, where you can view all the templates you've created. Once published, these templates can be easily used or edited. Additionally, you can sort and filter them to streamline your workflow. The second section collates all form responses and can be accessed under Responses. Once you've received form responses, you can export them to the library as a record, and even route them for approval, ensuring everything is in order. If you want to create a professional and customized form template, look no further. You can create a brand new form using our easy-to-use Form Builder page with just a few clicks. Start by clicking the Create Form button in the top left corner. Once you're there, you'll see that you can customize the size of your form, the orientation, and general setting at the top of the page. You'll find all the components you need to make your form genuinely unique on the left-hand side of the page. In the center, you can start building your form's header, footer, and section format. Let's start with the header, footer, and form setting. First up, what you need to do before you create the content inside your form are: set your form paper size, set your form orientation. Click on the general setting here to set the form name and form number. Toggle the setting if you want your respondent to submit a response with the response number or name. Set who will get the notification if a respondent submits a response to form. Then click Save Changes after all is OK. Next, let's start to customize the form header and footer. You can only drag and drop the image and text components here. After you drop the component, you can hover over the component to choose Edit, Delete, or to move. If you click the Edit icon, the right side pane will open, and you can configure the details of the component. Click the Delete if you prefer so, or the Move icon to bring the component elsewhere inside the content section. Moving on to the content of the form, you can create many sections inside a form. This section will be useful when you have a process or workflow that needs you to fill in multiple sections in one form. Let's try to drag and drop some components. If you want to separate the components by columns, use the column function and drop any components inside. If you use text field and text area, you can also configure the title, placeholder, and hint label. There are also drop-down list, radio button, and checkbox for the selection input function. You can then add in all input that needs to be selected by the respondent. You can also choose document number format, team member, department, and many more. If you want to, the respondent must input their answer based on the default format. You can choose date, time, email, or phone number. The rest of the component is used to beautify your form. You can choose etch line, spacing, or page break. And once you're done creating your form template, click Save Form to save your work. You can also click Preview to see how it will look to your respondents. Once done, you will see your created form on the main page under your form list section. Ready to start using your newly created form template? You'll need to publish the form template before you and your team can start. Don't worry, it's a quick and easy process. Search for the template you want to publish on the form list, ensuring that all the form information is correct. Once you're ready, click on the Start Approval button, and a pop-up will appear, asking you to select where to put your form template inside the library. Next, select the folder you want your form to be saved in, and wait a few moments for the system to generate the document for the library. Once it's completed, you'll be redirected to the document preview page of your form template. Start the process by clicking the Start Version Control button. This approval process is the same as how you publish a document from the library. Once your form template is published, head back to the Form Builder menu and see that your form's status is changed to Published with the new version. It's that easy! Your form is now ready to be used by you and your team. Click the Use Form button to be redirected to the Fill Form page, where you can easily fill in all the required answers and submit your response without any hassle. Moreover, if you wish to share your form with others, you can easily do so by right-clicking on the selected form, followed by Form Info. This will open a convenient right-side pane displaying all the necessary form information for easy sharing with your team or external members. As the form author, you will receive an email notification when someone fills in your form. If you have permission to view all the response details of the forms, you can go to the Responses tab in the Form Builder module. To locate your form, search for it in the left pane, and the responses will appear on the right. To view a response, click on it. In the response preview, an activity log tracks anyone who filled or edited the form. If you're the response owner and have the access rights, you can edit your response by clicking the pencil icon. If you want to export your response to the library, select the export icon. You can also upversion your response using the library module if needed. We hope this video has helped you understand how the Form Builder module works. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.